lipstick. I'm going to unbox my something study instruments. Let's get ready to see. Oh, can I open this? Almost look like this and this. Wow. This one is more. Oh my god, this mic is more. What is this? Not that much. Oh wow! Look at this. This is monitor. I like a lot. Oh my god. Okay, this side. So this is the next one. Just open this. Oh, beautiful, huh? Yeah. But expectation versus reality. This one is my favorite. Oh my god. Just look at here. Here. Just look. Just like this. I can fold this like this. I kept this like this. Flexible. What happened to this? And there is a word wolf. I can use this light like this. Oh wow, nice. Yeah. Okay, this much. And last one, most surprisingly, I got this laptop. This laptop, oh my god, I'm so happy and so grateful I get this HP laptop. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god, just look here. Okay, this much is my gift.